Hello, everyone, and this is Marcus once again for the day 2 of the Ampang Street Petaling line disruption of May 2026. To start this video, I will be showing the train ride between Banta Tasik Selatan all the way to Cheras Station as a background, while I'm following up on the explanation from the previous video, in case if you haven't watched it. So on 28th of May 2026, the Ampang Street Petaling line has suffered a major disruption, possibly the worst since its inception back in 1996. And due to this incident, the line was split into 6 different shuttle trains and may require passengers to add at least 30 to 60 minutes into their journey and consider alternative routes. And yes, there is a press conference was held at the Chan Sow Lin Station. The details are in this New Straits Times article, and I'll add the link in the description below. So to keep it simple, in the press conference, the transport minister said that caused by faulty track signals, causing the mentioned train set being split into 2 directions, and the train itself split in half. The train set that has been involved will be taken out of the track and will begin its repair works, and is expected to partially restored on next Wednesday, which is 3rd of June 2026. As I said before, I wish that the engineers at Rapid KL all the very best to restore the services at the Ampang Street Petaling lines, and hopefully things will go back to normal, and hopefully that this incident will not be happened again. With that being said, let's continue this footage.
Station Bandar Plaza.
This Chinese cross.
Oh, okay.
Emergency and after emergency.
Station berikutnya, Salak Selatan. Next station, Salak Selatan. Sila beri kepada anda kepada pengguna warga anda dan orang-orang rumahnya. Terima kasih. Please offer your seat to pregnant women, senior citizens, and disabled persons.
Amin. Por el texto workshop.
Stesen berikutnya, Ceras. Next station, Ceras. Attention to all passengers traveling to Kuala Lumpur KL, please board the shuttle train at Petaling Ceras Station. This train will turn back to Bandar Tasik Selatan Station. Attention to all passengers traveling to Kuala Lumpur KL, please board the shuttle train at Petaling Ceras Station. This train will turn back at Bandar Tasik Selatan Station. Train ini akan menamatkan perkhidmatannya di stesen ini. Para penumpang diminta memasukkan train ini. Penumpang yang ingin meneruskan perjalanan di stesen seterusnya, sila tunggu train yang berikutnya di platform ini. Terima kasih. This train will end its service at this station. All passengers are required to disembark from the train.
Do stay tuned for the next few days once the Ampang Sri Petaling line's functionality being restored. So to wrap this video up, here's the daylight footage of the train ride from Chan Sow Lin Station to Maluri Station.
Station Miharja. Stesen berikutnya, Maluri. Stesen pertukaran ke MRT Laluan Kacang. Next station, Maluri. Interchange station to MRT Kacang Line.
Kepada para penumpang, sila laporkan kepada polis bantuan atau pegawai stesen kami sekiranya anda mengalami gangguan seksual di dalam train atau di stesen. Anda juga boleh hubungi kami melalui media sosial atau di 0885 2585 untuk kongsikan maklumat kejadian. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, if you experience sexual harassment in the train or at the station, kindly report to our auxiliary police or station officer.
Station Maluri.
Stesen Maluri, perhatian kepada penumpang ke laluan Terminal Ampang, sila tukar train anda di Stesen Maluri. Diulangi, perhatian kepada penumpang ke laluan Terminal Ampang, sila tukar train anda di Stesen Maluri. Terima kasih.